Hi there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use patterns to fill images in Photoshop, adding creativity and style to your photos. So let's start by opening your image you want to add a pattern to in Photoshop. Make sure it's a high quality image for the best results. Now, create a new layer here, like that, and then go to the image you want to create as a pattern. For example, this one, I want to create a pattern of this $100 bill. Now click on rectangular marquee tool and then select the $100 bill. Now please go to edit and then select define pattern. So please name your pattern. For example, let's name this one pattern 1 and then click OK. So now that we have created a pattern, let's go back to this image here and then select this empty layer and then click on edit menu again and choose fill, and in the contents click drop down menu and select pattern. Please check the script here, and in the custom pattern please choose the pattern that we have created, this one. And then let's go back here. Please click the drop down menu here and choose random fill and click OK. Now this is a preview of what it should look like, so you can edit the slider here. So we want to fill that table with a lot of money. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click OK. And that's it. You now know how to use patterns to fill images in Photoshop. It's a fun and creative way to add a unique touch to your photos and designs. Get creative with patterns and experiment with different combinations to achieve the look you want. Patterns can bring a whole new dimensions to your project. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use patterns to fill images in Photoshop. See you on my next video.